When you're having a newborn baby, what should you do? When you start introducing products, right? Let's say for body, for hair, whatever, you want to pace the introduction of new products. You want to pace it. You don't want to use too many things at the same time, so that you know what is working and what is not working. That's on one hand. And then if there is a reaction, you can easily say, okay, it is this thing, because it is only this thing I have used on this child. So from when they are born, you really want to pace the introduction of new products. If you're going to use body oil and body butter, you want to use one first and see how well it works. And then I also believe in, when you find what works, stick to one, because your baby is not a specimen to be trying out all the products that are made in the market. This is coming from someone that is also involved in formulating products from natural sources. Yes, I can say that for a fact, that you don't want to be using every single thing. If you find what works for your baby, just stick to it. But if you want to, okay, let's say there's something you want to improve. Let's say you observe that your baby has dry skin, because this was also my experience, right? I used Vaseline up until 8, 9, 10 months, and then I began to observe that she actually has dry skin because of, there are some patches on her skin that even when I use the Vaseline, it's not so effective. And so I really needed something else for her skin. And so I started trying some other things. So I'm saying this to say that when you observe that there's a need for something beyond what you're doing, and you want to try something else, you want to do it one at a time. Don't use too many things at once. And as a rule, please try it on yourself before you put it on the baby. Yes, they actually say skin patch test. Do what works for you. I've observed that my own skin patch is not the risk, it's not my risk that is the most sensitive part of my skin, is actually my face. So if I need to test a new product for my baby, I could actually try it on my face first before putting it on her. And if it goes well with my face, no reaction, I know that I don't have any reaction on her. And so when you find what works, just stick to it and allow the baby to be in peace.